You gotta love it when you see
Oh, look at that.
eBay.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Hi.
Well, guess what?
What?
I'm Father Christmas, just without the beard, the tummy, or the red suit.
Well,
Colin, the king of 180s, wherever he is, he might have come out. I thought he might. Just give him a beat.
remember that story about does he work on cars and stuff? This is, by the way, Colin's gym. CrossFit.
Something's happening in here. He's hoovering.
What? So, the gym.
He's hoovering.
Oh, welcome to a gym show. They look different in real life compared to Google.
Does it?
Is your Hoover talking to you?
Hey?
Something's talking to you.
Felt a terrible discomfort in his groin. It was like someone had grabbed
Some bloke on the internet.
Is he reading the story?
Yeah, he is, yeah.
Is it a bedtime story? I've got so many presents for you.
What I'm learning is attention is
There you go.
Watch up.
Kitchen.
On the,
Kitchen and engines.
That's it. Cup of tea or a head rebuild? What do you want? This is the engine for the 180 Mark 1 Golf.
All the musty waters have been sitting for so long.
Oh,
You're not
lordy.
It's alright, really.
So the bottom end's actually alright, you reckon?
Yeah,
It's like...
it's not bad. I haven't dropped some yet. There wasn't any oil in it.
No.
But someone's obviously drained out ages ago. But I'm going to drop some, clean it, whatnot.
But there's no like...
No, I don't think it's been apart.
No?
I think that's probably the original head gasket. It's a Volkswagen thermostat. I think it was a genuine water pump. Yeah, it's a genuine water pump.
From look at that.
From 2002 probably, or 2000, no, W age, wasn't it?
Yeah, 99 or something.
Yeah, 99, 2000.
It's actually got a little crack. What the Volkswagen water pumps do, they got a plastic impeller and they crack where the spindle goes through the middle, and then you end up with the pump turning on the cam belt, which is here, but the actual the impeller, I suppose you'd call it, stays still or doesn't turn as fast anyway. Yeah. So, but that is like ancient.
Yeah,
isn't it? That doesn't look like it's ever been off. You're right.
No, I had to leave that pretty tough to normally just pull out, but that was stuck in pretty well, really.
It looks super tidy. Is that better? Like that?
Yeah.
So, but you can't see it at night time like this, but it's got Schmidt wheels, Spax coilovers.
Have we got any pictures of it?
Rear anti-roll bar. Yeah, I'll put some up roughly now. And they were the pictures from when it was for sale. There you go, perfect.
Right.
But she's got
Can
no
we
face
see
at
it?
the moment.
But it's an original Mark 1 Golf GTI.
And it's a GTI. That's the main thing.
Well done, Stuart. This is Cole, the light man.
I've only got to put it on the car.
Hurry up, we're going to watch you struggle after you've done shoulders today.
I've got beef ribs at home I've got to eat.
He's not actually put any of it in there. It's all there.
Well,
so
yeah,
he's
yeah.
got all of that
I
space
thought you meant the van was
and decided to put it in the front.
The only thing that I haven't had back is the ECUs, I don't think.
full. Okay, that's all right.
There's a box, you can have that.
No, he's
Well,
busy.
okay,
He's
I
light
don't
man.
I've got them
I'm the light man.
It's like this.
in the rain outside.
No.
No.
Yeah, me and Cole wait here.
Yeah, let's do that.
Got a kettle, Cole?
I've got your milk.
Oh, you haven't?
No,
You got. fucking hell.
black coffee, black tea.
That's there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here he comes.
Slow Santa Claus.
It's got, very slow Santa Claus. Is that all of it?
No. I've only got so many hands.
That's small for your size.
I know, I'm disproportionate
I'll tell you
in
what.
the hand department.
You gotta love it when you see
Oh, look at that.
eBay.
It's from China.
Blade or bullet dodger. Oh, the blade.
I've got to admit, I've actually opened this one because I was really keen to see what was in it. Because it came from, I ordered it on, when you told me on Saturday night, I ordered one of these. Yeah. Saturday night, like people complain about, everyone that's in the American car scene, if you've got an American car and you're buying stuff from the UK, yes, I appreciate support our industry, but don't complain about it if it's late. I ordered this from Jim Royston. You know Jim, right? Jim Royston in San Antonio, Texas.
You do know that there's like date protection.
Jim Royston, you know Jim, oh mate Jim, like that. I was in a car crash together. Anyway, so I ordered that on Saturday night and it turned up Tuesday. I mean, there's stuff, when you order some stuff from a well-known parts supplier in the UK, not naming any names.
Euros.
What? I never said that. Sometimes you order stuff from there and they're like, oh, I can't get it till Friday. You're like, I ordered something.
Where is it? Nottingham.
Yeah, exactly. I ordered something from Texas and it got here in 2 days.
Is it in this gear?
Right, look at that. This is the short shifter for the muff box. I say muff
A
box.
what?
An MUF gearbox.
Oh, you've got MUE.
MUF. Look at that.
And you've bought a muff one, and it's supposed to be.
I bought an MUF, whatever.
Changed it a little bit.
6-speed, but I like little things, like little details like that. There is no reason at all that they needed to engrave that and finish it the way they have, but they still did, because it's nice, and that's it.
Even stuff like this, we have a master spline on the shift tower. They've marked where the master spline goes.
I mean, come
so
on.
you can only get it one way, up or down.
The machine. It's like Lucky Dip, but you pick the shit end of the stick, because
It was
for Lucky
crap.
Dip, that's going to be... I mean,
Well, that's
you know what that
little.
is? You know what that is?
What is it?
Some adapter or something.
What that is.
Lots of bubble wrap.
Ooh, lots of rubber, and another packet.
Oh.
Got a coat hanger.
Oh, that's so
that's the turbo blanket. That's the one I got.
Oh, would you look at that? That was about 60 quid,
I
I
got
think.
it like £170. If you get one for like a KO4 or KO3 specific,
Yeah.
it's about 100 quid more. I'm not joking.
Look at that.
See that bit?
Actually, I'm going to say it now.
That looks like a cup you play.
It just looks like underwear, let's face
doesn't
it. Is it a bulletproof vest for Barbie? Or a really big one? Face mask.
And it works.
I don't know why I smelt it.
Keeps all the fire.
You were hoping it was used, weren't you?
Actually, like, well, you could kind of like, see, look,
Someone designed that on purpose.
it's a fireproof crotch rocket. But if you look at the name on there, anyone that knows their Volkswagens and their performance stuff may well recognise Dark Side Performance.
My car. Besides, I only had to go one step further and buy the flashy billet flywheel.
Well, no, because apparently you need that.
You get the 7 kilo one or the 10 kilo one.
Oh, 7.
You get new
so
bolts.
cute. So we've got what is it? A VR6 clutch.
Yep. VR6. It's a standard Sachs VR6 clutch on a billet lightened G60 supercharged Golf flywheel.
Supercharged Golf flywheel.
These clutches are 90 quid, and they just take a hammer.
Yeah.
These guys rate these clutches to 320 foot-pound of torque.
That actually
Go on,
looks
Carl.
nice as well, doesn't it?
Oh, finger them splines.
Oh, would you just look at that?
O2J, 7-speed. Woo!
7-speed, yeah.
Just on a side note, I did a half marathon yesterday.
All right, okay, that's a random.
We do 3 runs a week to keep our members from getting diabetes.
And that's what happens. You instantly get diabetes the second you start training.
drinking addiction. Well, yeah, this is true.
Were you playing 12 miles?
Yoink.
13 miles?
13. You got kids.
Yeah.
It's in here somewhere. Right.
Get your sock off. Look at that.
There you go. We've gone to see Sam Neill from Jurassic Park and got some dinosaur bones. Here's a KO4 conversion downpipe to fit a Mark 1 Golf. Obviously, 3.5 turbo engine in the car. This, in theory, is a bolt-on item.
As I understand it, a 3-inch. Correct me if I'm wrong. Do your googling, but I think a 3-inch diameter tube can support 500 horsepower, from what I've heard. So the 2.5-inch downpipe for 250, 280 horsepower. It's going to be fine. Nice 3-inch
Going on the
downpipe.
back of your turbo because you've got all your steering column coming down.
Yeah.
You've got a rubber boot on there, which is why we have bought some of that gear.
Ooh.
Bit of heat wrap, that's going to go around the pipe, so all the fire stays inside that, not on the outside.
Not on the outside. Yeah.
Which is always nice.
Well, so anyway.
There we go.
Yeah, so basically we can start moving forwards now. Carl's got his work cut out in his kitchen. And
When do you reckon it will be done?
tomorrow?
Pop back tomorrow. This time. 8 o'clock tomorrow. That'll be fine.
Better release this in about 3 weeks.
Well, there you go.
You won't be done, sorry.
So that's it. So now we can continue. There's a bit more cleaning up to do. We've got all the boring stuff we haven't photographed or taken any footage of. Stuff like water pumps, thermostat, cam belts, and all that sort of stuff. But that's all got to go on as well. And then we'll do another update when we've got more interesting stuff.
Yeah, I'll probably I'll get the engine cleaned up, get that back together, get it painted. I've got to drop the sump anyway because the pickup pipes on these. People never serviced them, so that they just let the pickup pipes in the sun block up and start a bit of oil. Check all that. This engine looks pretty good, so it should be fine. Get that cleaned up, get the head cleaned up, get it all back on, new gaskets, whatnot, head gasket, head bolts, timing belt kit, all that boring service stuff. That makes your car work. That no one really.
A lot of people would rather put different wheels and different exhaust.
Yeah, everyone's like G35 turbo. It's like, well, your cam belt's no good. So what's your turbo going to do when your cam is smashing into your piston and wrecking your engine?
All the noisy stuff.
Yeah, all the boring stuff which makes your car work. So that's all in that bag on the floor. That's my bag.
Yes.
Get it?
Yeah.
Anyway.
Actually, it is your bag.
It literally is my bag.
There we have it.
Yeah.
Alright, well.
Next time you see it, that should be all painted up. Probably turbo on, a few of the ancillaries on, a little bit cleaner. Maybe a wrinkle red rocker cover, a little bit of paint on that. Sexy. Or resplendent red, as it's been called on YouTube before.
Splendid red.
Resplendent.
Resplendent.
Resplendent
That's
red.
far too big of a word for just the word.
Whatever that means.
Red.
That's,
So anyway,
some of you might know what that means.
there we go. We'll keep it snappy. We'll update you next time.
Keep it snappy.
Keep it snappy, not the cam belt. I reckon we've got a week, 2 weeks maybe, till it looks very different from what it does now.
Oh yeah.
Possibly less than that.
Yeah.
We'll let you know. See you later.